So, what are we doing tonight?
We're gonna fix my car because it exploded.
When did it explode?
Last night.
And we're on our way to what?
A meet.
Okay.
But it exploded locally, so we're not that dead yet. But yeah, my car exploded. I'm sad as hell. And don't buy a Ford.
So you know when you have a Ford and everyone makes fun of it, you know why? This is a normal thing. So
it is not parked in a gas station.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not towed.
At a 7-Eleven or Marathon or something.
Yeah, that's Marathon.
One of them. Yeah. So now we have to go and get it. Well, we have to go and buy a starter for it. Go and get it and hope that's the only issue it has right now. Because it let the smoke out yesterday.
That was the dude. I saw the last breath of that car. If it comes back, I don't know. I don't know what else is with it anymore, man. Hopefully it starts. If not, you rip my back.
Praying right here, praying. But you know, it is what it is. So.
You're Mr. Shifty, man, dude.
Come on, I can drive and shift manual.
Yeah, you can drive and shift. I would hope so. But like now with a camera in your hand.
Oh, bet. I will.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Vans, right?
Yeah, the discount auto parts are
Oh, okay, so we're gonna go to Discount Auto Parts store. Hopefully they have it for real cheap and my pocket doesn't cry.
They won't. Okay, so Matt, where are we at?
Well, we got the starter after I looked at my bank account and cried a lot. Here's this beautiful little boy right here. He's gonna go in my Ford Explorer. Yeehaw, everybody! No, I'm joking. Anyways, so yeah, we got the part, the starter. Now we're heading to where my Ford Explorer is temporarily laying to rest at a Marathon gas station. It's gonna be fun. I'll have to pull the hood on.
Okay, so we just got here to where the car is at. Of course, you know, my baby right over here, you know. And we got some tools, got the starter, got keys, ready to roll. My boy's Explorer that exploded in the face. Tried to kill me once already. So, yeah. Oh, sure. Oh, I thought the starter was in it. This guy said you dropped the box. Like, yeah, drop the brand new fucking starter. That's what we should have brought.
Dude, it's loose.
So we should have brought a hood prop.
Yeah, we should.
How about you put the starter down somewhere? I know it was $150, but you don't gotta hold it all.
Okay, my positive terminal's up.
Okay. So we're ready to roll. Alright. You don't even know what you're gonna do down there.
I don't, but I'm going in. My dad's like, is it gonna be hard to take out? I'm like, hopefully not. Wow, this is a tight fucking fit. Okay, where's my slip? There it is. Holy shit, this thing's cooked. It's cooked and caked. So I have to take this off.
I'm sorry guys if you can't really see very well. There's the starter.
The new one's literally right
So,
now. Look, dude, the coating on it just came off.
You know. Yeah.
Dude,
so
look.
we're gonna take that out.
Dude, that's from hitting it, look.
Take that out over there. And that's it. She'll come out like a boss.
Hopefully it fucking starts,
Yeah, because we blew something, we don't know what. So I'll let it smoke. But you know, got this. Right? Got this.
We got this, we're here. We're out here fixing my fucking car. Oh no, oil, oh no, the oil's gonna get my eyes, dude. Whatever, fuck.
This is gonna suck.
This is gonna suck, but whatever, dude. If it starts.
Oh my god, what did you drop?
That was you, not me.
That was not me.
That was not me. My starter's right next to me. It did not move.
I have nothing to drop.
Fuck. Okay.
Fuck your mask.
No, let me get the bullet. Finagle that bitch in there. This is not.
Get on down with your mash up. Get on down. Listen to the sound. Come on. You never get this ultimate legit. See you all up in my ass, but you don't know shit. What's your definition of a real MC? Someone you were dedicated. Hey, you must be me. At the count. Listening to the live hip hop. I goes on till the break is done and just don't stop. Give me the green light and the sign one way. Have you had your mouth today? Move it in.
Doesn't ratchet, and then you look, and it's like, wow, look at ratchets. Me and the 80 other people that will watch this are gonna be like, that's dumb.
Besides it being loose. Go ahead. Hey! Boy!
Shit, man.
Hell yeah! Woo! So, boy!
Yeah. Hey boy, so what's good?
I love how you started. So we just replaced the starter on the Exploder. Took us like an hour. Would have been a lot faster with that power tool, but you know, do what you gotta do. And the GoPro died. We filmed most of it on the GoPro, but it died. So now the update is coming up on the big camera.
Woo.
Oh yeah, you'll get to see it with your fancy single shot lens, single focus lens.
We need to swap this one.
Yeah, but I mean it's idling fine and everything. As you can see, it's all starting. It's all pretty. We didn't blow anything up with all the smoke that came out yesterday.
Oh my god, that was... Bro, what could have that been? Was that like fuel that we just shot in?
I hope so. I hope so.
I don't hear any knocking, so...
No, there's no knocking. The cables are not burnt anywhere. So I have no idea what that could have been. But it runs. Yeah.